I've talked to a lot of folks, and everybody seems to be able to get in the journey from I want to do it, let's go do it, let's get a team to start it, I build a proof of concept, and then we just kind of get stuck there. And I think you've really highlighted all the avenues that have to be thought through, and there's a lot there to scale. I don't think I fully recognized how much effort there was and all the little moving parts just to take this concept into something that needs to be scaled in production.
Yeah, exactly. So there's a whole lot of, we call them model lives. You should first establish your business objectives. Why I am wanting to build a model, have you thought through that properly? Then what is the data that I need? Have I thought through the data? Is it the right data? Can I use it? All of that. Then you build the models. Is a model, am I building the model with no bias in it? All of that stuff need to be taken into. And then, do I have my production environment ready? Is it have the power? Does it have the data? Can I access to the data in production as I used to have it in development? And then you deploy the models into production. Then you constantly monitor the models and provide feedback back into the development team so they can refine the models. And it's like a factory, and you need to keep sure it works continuously, and there is this enterprise, some god out there making sure everything is runs as per it was meant to run. Yeah.